diabetes is expected to hit the 1 million mark by 2050. So, using technology to help with diagnosis, treatment, or tracking fitness levels is driving innovation in the healthcare technology sector. But that's not all, as Nicole Tan finds out.
The number of Singaporeans with diabetes could hit up to 1 million by 2050, more than double current levels of more than 400,000. Singapore-based healthcare technology firm Hallmusk saw a gap in treatment for pre- and early-stage diabetics. It's developed a mobile app that helps patients keep their weight and blood sugar levels in check by monitoring and advising on diet and lifestyle.
For the individual, it's like living with the disease, without any much complications. Your probability of losing your eyesight or the limb is very, very low if you're able to manage the disease. Okay. At a macro level, this disease is literally a precursor to many other disease buckets and a serious cost at a national level.
Rising healthcare costs, observers say, is one of the drivers of demand for healthcare technology. In Asia, they say the industry is still in relatively nascent stages of development, but they expect strong growth going forward.
Governments are looking at it in terms of how do you use the data to better manage and allocate resources. For example, in a country as a whole, hospitals are using health tech to better manage outpatients. And large pharmaceutical companies, for example, are looking at health tech to run more efficient, more cost-sensitive, let's say, clinical trials for their drug development, for example.
Observers say growth of the health technology industry has wider benefits for businesses and the economy too. An area that's seeing growing interest in Asia is corporate wellness, and observers say that health tech is changing the way that companies engage employees and encourage healthier living.
One startup, Globe Trekker Challenge, has developed a wellness program for companies that uses technology and gamification to challenge employees to keep fit.
For employers, they're really trying to understand how to reduce absenteeism, how to reduce insurance claims, the length of insurance claims, how to understand and provide better benefits for their employees to retain them into their businesses for longer.
Investment into Internet of Things healthcare technology is estimated to hit up to $410 billion globally in 2022. This is almost 7 times the amount of investment in 2014.
And that's your business update this hour. Back to you.